So, when did AI start getting smart? Let's be honest. AI didn't just wake up one morning and decide to be brilliant. There were moments. Big, bold breakthrough moments. Moments when the world stopped and went, wait, a machine just did that? Moments that rewrote the rules. Moments that gave us goosebumps. In this video, we're looking at the turning points in AI history. The ones that made headlines, shocked experts, and quietly shifted the future. From Deep Blue's epic chess win, to Watson's domination on Jeopardy, to AlphaGo's insane move no human saw coming, all the way to that holy crap, it's talking like a person moment with ChatGPT. Let's walk through the wildest AI breakthrough moments. Buckle up, it's one heck of a timeline. The day AI beat a chess champion. You know what's more intense than a chess match? A chess match where a supercomputer goes head-to-head with the world's best human player and wins. That's exactly what happened in 1997, when IBM's Deep Blue beat Garry Kasparov, the reigning world champion. Let that sink in. A computer, cold, mechanical, emotionless, outplayed arguably the greatest chess mind alive. And sure, you can argue Deep Blue didn't think like a human. It basically crunched through thousands of moves per second. But still, it won, and that was enough to rattle the world. Kasparov later said he saw signs of intelligence in the machine's decisions. He even accused IBM of cheating, that's how unnatural it felt. But here's the kicker. Deep Blue didn't get smarter after the win. It wasn't learning. It wasn't adapting. It just followed brute force logic with icy precision. Still, that moment? AI won, humanity zero. And it opened the floodgates. Watson, Rex. Jeopardy legends fast forward to 2011. AI's next flex? Jeopardy. Now you might think, Jeopardy's just trivia, big deal. But it was a big deal. Because answering Jeopardy questions isn't just about knowing stuff. It's about understanding wordplay, nuance, puns, pop culture, timing. It's language chaos. And guess what? IBM's Watson didn't just play, it crushed. It demolished champions Ken Jennings and Brad Rutter, two of the sharpest minds the game had ever seen. It wasn't perfect. Watson famously thought Toronto was a US city. Yeah, oof. But it was fast, confident, and most importantly, it understood natural language. That was the real breakthrough. Because now, machines weren't just crunching numbers or planning chess openings. They were parsing messy human language and making real-time decisions. This wasn't just about trivia. This was about meaning. And it made people wonder, what happens when machines start understanding more than just data? What happens when they understand us? AlphaGo's move 37, the one that shook the world all right. If you're into strategy games, this one's for you. Go isn't just a game. It's art. It quote a strategy in pure form. The board is simple black and white stones, but the possibilities? Practically infinite. For decades, experts said no AI could ever beat a top Go player. Too much intuition, too much complexity, too many feel-based decisions. Then along came AlphaGo, built by DeepMind, now part of Google. AlphaGo shocked the world in 2016 when it faced Lee Sedol, a South Korean Go legend. And in Game 2, Move 37 happened. AlphaGo made a move no human would ever consider. Not because it was wrong, because it was too creative, too weird, too non-human. Even the commentators paused. It was like watching a robot paint a masterpiece. Lee Sedol lost that match, and he lost the series. But he later said that AlphaGo made him see the game differently, like it had opened a new door in a house he thought he knew by heart. That's when people started realizing AI isn't just copying us anymore. It's surprising us. Quietly taking over your life. Okay, this part of the story doesn't have a flashy headline. But trust me, it matters. While everyone was busy watching Netflix or tweeting about Elon, AI was moving in quietly. Recommendation engines got smarter. Face recognition showed up in airports and phones. Translation apps started making sense. Behind the scenes, models like BERT, GPT-2, and T5 were learning how language works. Not just word by word, but sentence by sentence. Context, motion, ambiguity. You know how Netflix knows what you'll binge next? Or how Google finishes your sentence before you do? Or how your spam folder actually works now? Yeah, that's AI, not the flashy, I beat the champion kind, but the invisible genius kind. ChatGPT breaks the internet now. This one? Everyone felt this. When ChatGPT launched in late 2022, it didn't just impress tech nerds or AI researchers. It went mainstream. Within days, Twitter was full of screenshots. People were making it write poems, job applications, breakup texts, bedtime stories, code snippets, and marketing pitches. It was surreal, fun, slightly creepy. Because ChatGPT wasn't just answering, it was chatting, conversing, remembering, adapting, And it wasn't just useful, it felt human. Not perfect, not sentient, but startlingly good. Suddenly, every startup wanted GPT inside. Teachers panicked about essays. Writers questioned their jobs. Coders sped up their workflows. Copywriters got nervous. This wasn't just a tool, this was a shift. It turned AI from that futuristic thing researchers work on into something everyone's using right now for everything. Wait, what makes these moments so special? Here's a thought. It's not just that AI won at something, it's how it won. And when it won, each moment represented a leap, not just in computation, but in perception. Deep Blue showed AI could compete. Watson proved AI could understand. AlphaGo revealed that AI could innovate. ChatGPT made us feel like AI could relate. Each of those breakthroughs redefined what people thought machines could do. And each time the bar moved. We're no longer impressed by chess-playing machines. We're expecting AI to write code, understand our sarcasm, summarize legal documents, and help us brainstorm side hustles. And maybe that's the biggest twist of all. The real breakthrough? How quickly we stop being surprised. So, what's next? If we're being honest, nobody knows. Some say AGI, artificial general intelligence, is right around the corner. Others say we're still decades away, if ever. Some are scared, some are thrilled, some are both. But here's what we do know. AI's not slowing down. Whether it's text, voice, video, or something else entirely, machines are learning faster, smarter, and sometimes weirdly more like us. So the next AI breakthrough moment, it might not be a headline. It might be something you use every day without noticing. Or maybe, just maybe, it'll be something that changes the rules all over again. What's your AI moment? So now I want to hear from you. Was it Deep Blue, Watson, AlphaGo, or did ChatGPT blow your mind for the first time? What was the moment AI actually got your attention? Drop it in the comments. Let's swap stories. And hey, if you enjoyed this trip through AI's biggest whoa moments, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stick around. Because if history's any guide, the next mind-blowing moment might be tomorrow.